You just bagged that B.Sc degree. Congrats. Now level up your game. Enter TCS, a global IT giant. We're talking innovation, cutting-edge tech, and endless opportunities. TCS is at the forefront of the digital revolution. We partner with Fortune 500 companies. We shape the future of technology. Ready to join the big leagues? Let's go. TCS is more than just a company. It's a launchpad for ambitious minds. They're a global family of 600,000 plus passionate individuals. We believe in pushing boundaries and challenging the status quo. At TCS, you'll learn from the best, work with the brightest, and make a real impact. Are you ready to unleash your potential? TCS is built on a foundation of learning and growth. They invest heavily in our employees' development. Their training programs are top-notch, equipping you with the latest skills. TCS offer personalized career paths, mentorship, and global exposure. With TCS, you're not just joining a company, you're joining a movement. This is your chance to be a part of something bigger. Join TCS and be a part of a legacy of excellence. TCS is changing the world, one innovation at a time. Are you in? Introducing TCS B.Sc Ignite. This program is tailor-made for bright minds like you. Fresh out of college, eager to kickstart your IT career, this is your golden ticket. B.Sc Ignite is your launchpad into the exciting world of IT. We're talking hot technologies, cloud computing, cybersecurity, AI, the works. Our training program is hands-on. You'll learn by doing, not just by listening. Get ready to dive deep into coding, software development, and cutting-edge tech. We'll equip you with the skills that companies are looking for. But it's not just about tech skills. We'll also sharpen your soft skills. Communication, teamwork, problem-solving, you name it. We'll mold you into a well-rounded IT professional. Our goal is to make you industry-ready from day one. You'll hit the ground running and start making an impact immediately. And the best part? Guaranteed career growth. Upon successful completion, you'll be absorbed into TCS. You'll work on real-world projects for global clients. You'll have access to continuous learning and development opportunities. Your career trajectory starts here. Didn't study computer science? No problem. TCS Smart Hiring opens doors for graduates from any stream. Yes, you read that right. If you have the passion and aptitude for IT, we want you. We believe that talent transcends academic boundaries. TCS Smart Hiring is a unique program that focuses on your potential, not just your degree. We provide comprehensive training in IT fundamentals and specialized skills. You'll learn from industry experts and gain practical experience through internships. We'll equip you with the knowledge and confidence to excel in your chosen IT field. The program offers a wide range of roles. From software development to business analysis, there's something for everyone. We'll help you identify your strengths and interests. You'll get to explore different career paths within IT. We'll guide you towards a role that perfectly aligns with your aspirations. TCS Smart Hiring is your fast track to a successful IT career. We're committed to your growth and development. We provide ongoing support and mentorship to help you inspire your role. Join us and become a part of the TCS success story. Section 4. Ready? Apply now. It's super easy. Excited? You should be. Applying to TCS B.Sc Ignite or Smart Hiring is a piece of cake. Just head straight to the official TCS Careers website. Look for the B.Sc Ignite or Smart Hiring program. Fill out the online application form. It's straightforward and user-friendly. Make sure to highlight your skills and experiences. Showcase your passion for technology. Be authentic and let your personality shine through. Double-check your application for any errors. Submit it well before the deadline. Don't wait till the last minute. Shortlisted candidates will be invited for an online assessment. This may include aptitude tests, technical assessments, and/or interviews. Prepare well and showcase your best self. Be confident, articulate, and enthusiastic. We're looking for individuals with a spark. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Apply now and take charge of your future. TCS is waiting to welcome you to the world of endless possibilities. Your dream IT career is just a click away. Section 5. TCS, where your future starts now. This is it. Your chance to join the big leagues. TCS B.Sc Ignite and Smart Hiring are your launchpads to success. We're talking world-class training, global exposure, and endless growth opportunities. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. We're looking for passionate, driven individuals. We're looking for future leaders and innovators. We're looking for you. TCS is committed to your growth and development. They'll provide you with the tools, resources, and support you need to thrive. The future of technology is here. Be a part of it with TCS. Apply now and unlock your true potential. Your journey to an exciting and rewarding IT career starts today. Don't wait, the future is calling. Please like, share, subscribe for more such content. Please post a comment on this video and support our channel.